We're gonna make cornbread. For the cornbread, we're gonna add 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons baking powder, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna add 1 cup of cornmeal. We're gonna stir it together. I'm gonna use a fork, and that's similar to sifting. It adds air into the mix. Now that it's sifted, I'm gonna add in 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. I'm gonna mix this together with an electric mixer, and I don't wanna overbeat it, just until it's smooth. This is the consistency of the batter once it's been beaten with the electric mixer. Now it says to pour into a loaf pan. If this is all you have, you can use it, but at school I've found that this pan works better. You get a more even cook, and it's done on time. The other pan might take a little longer. Now to grease the pan, I'm gonna show you what I do. I usually wrap a little bit of saran wrap around my hand, and I take the oil and I pour it onto my hand. I use this to rub the oil all over the pan. I'm gonna pour the batter into this greased pan, and I'm gonna use a spatula to make sure that I get everything off the sides. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven at 425 for 20 to 25 minutes. So I just pulled the cornbread out of the oven after 20 minutes. I'm gonna check to see if it's done using a toothpick. If you put the toothpick into the cornbread and it comes out clear, it's cooked, so this one's done. If it comes out wet, then you wanna cook it a little longer.